Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Monday the 12th of September 2022. The main market of focus today has got to be Bitcoin after the quite stunning rise that we've seen after we were looking pretty ominous not too long ago. I think it was the 12th, on the 12th today. It was on the 6th, which was just less than a week ago, where we had that pretty nasty looking piercing breakout bar to the downside. You had all them lows taken out. We did mention if we got a break off that range, then you'd probably see a move exacerbated quite quickly, and it turned out it was just a complete flush. And we basically got rid of all the stops in here. We paused at what was one of the support levels and lows around 18,560 there from it was basically one of the high lows that we put in from the overall yearly low. And then since then it's been a pretty outstanding move to the upside. You saw an inside bar, doji bar last week, and then that was followed by an absolutely ripping day on the 9th, and then we've just managed to climb up again. That was on Thursday, and then Friday again, higher close, touched the 50-day moving average, and then over the weekend and then today, this morning, throughout the Asian session, they've been able to pierce that 50-day moving average. So you can see, we did target that 50 in the first place. We managed to find some support as well at one of our key levels of 21,125, and then the 50-day moving average pierced. So all signs pointing to a direction of travel to the upside for now. I'll just share with you as well inside the chat room, Edwin, one of the traders on the desk, also posting the breakout indicator from TradeView, which is available to traders and actually available through our website. You can see it boxed in a breakout there, and then it took the breakout trade, and even though we've had a slight fade of that, it's continued in that direction. So a nice strategy there, nice breakout trade if you were in on the breakout there. So Bitcoin looks like it could be looking to sustain this move higher. It's a big question of if it can. Needs to hold now above 50-day moving average. I'm sure the bulls will be really looking for a strong break and close above this 50-day moving average today, and then they can start to think about the 24 handle. Ethereum has also been making moves to the upside, albeit as you can see not quite as strong as Bitcoin has been, and Ripple just not going anywhere. I'm not too sure what happened there on Ripple on the daily, whether that is correct price action, or we'll have to check that out. Litecoin as well, again not moving at the same speed and velocity to the upside as Bitcoin is. That's why I focused on Bitcoin for today. Ethereum at 1747. If you're trading this market, then that 1700 handle is going to be quite key in the short term, holding above that, and then we can see a move back into that important 2k handle. If we can't get through this 1781, where we did see a rejection not long ago and we just paused there, as you can see, then a move back through 1700 again, if it doesn't hold, can signify a move back down into 1550 today or over the course of the coming days. The US CPI will be where everyone's attention and focus turns to. That comes through tomorrow, and of course that plays into the hands of the entire rhetoric which we're seeing at the moment: hawkish Fed, less hawkish Fed, etc. So all eyes will be on that one tomorrow. I'll see you all inside tomorrow's brief. We'll do more of a preview on what we could expect, but until then, it's looking like risk on. It's looking like Bitcoin is bid, and a move into 24 and a strong closable 50-day moving average is going to be the key for the foreseeable. That's it from my end. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Till next time, all the best with your trading.